Chelsea. Welcome back for another PT On Demand video. Today we have a full body workout and we're just gonna get right into it. All you're gonna need is a long resistance band and then a set of small, light dumbbells. All right, so for our warm up, we've got 4 exercises. We're gonna do those 20 seconds each and we're gonna go through 2 times. So first, we're just gonna start out with some body weight squats. Then we've got some push-ups. We'll take it down for those push-ups. Then we've got some crunches, so we'll flip over onto our back. And then lastly, we're gonna do some lateral lunges. We'll alternate each time. All right, so 4 exercises, 2 rounds each. Let's get started with those body weight squats. 20 seconds, going in 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Sitting back on those heels. We're just getting nice and warmed up here. Awesome. Perfect. Keep it going. Get as many reps as you can. Just getting those heart rates up. Perfect. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and done. We're taking it down. We got some push-ups, either on your feet or on your knees. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. 20 seconds. Just rep them out. Bringing that chest down, right in between your hands. Good. Awesome. Keep it going. Perfect. You're doing great. 5 seconds. Last rep. Perfect. We're going to flip it over. We got some crunches. I just want your shoulders off of the ground. Squeeze that core when you come up. 20 seconds of these. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Get those shoulders up off the ground. Awesome. Make sure you're breathing. Good. Perfect. Keep going. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Go ahead, stand it back up. We've got lateral lunges. We're gonna alternate. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. So dropping it down and then alternate to the other side. Perfect. Keeping that chest up, toe pointed straight forward. Sit back on that heel. Awesome. Good. Keep it going. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and done. Just like 10 seconds. We're going through all that one more time. So we're going to be back to the squats. All right. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, rep them out for 20 seconds. Good. Awesome. As many as you can. Keep it going. Good. Awesome. 5 seconds. And rest. Take it back down. We got some push-ups. All right. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Awesome. Rep them out. Chest down. Right between those hands. Keep it going. Almost there. 5 seconds. Last one. Perfect. Flipping onto your back. We got some crunches. 20 seconds of these. Going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bring those shoulders up off the ground. Good. Awesome. Almost there. We got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Stand it up. Last exercise of our warm-up here. Those lateral lunges. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Alternating each time. Toes straight forward. Sit back on that heel. Awesome. Keep it going. Perfect. Almost there. 5 seconds. Last one. Awesome. Go ahead and rest. Grab a quick drink. That concludes the warm-up. All right. So like I said, you just need one long resistance band, a set of light dumbbells. We have 10 exercises, 30 seconds, 2 times each, then we'll move into the next. So first, we're taking it down to the floor. I want you to have one light dumbbell close by. We are doing alternating V-up crunches. So, opposite hand to opposite leg. Getting those shoulders all the way up off the ground. If you would like to use a dumbbell, holding one dumbbell, you're gonna come up to one leg at a time, okay? Alrighty, 30 seconds, 2 times, and then I'll show you the next. We'll just keep that pace the whole entire time. Alrighty, we're going in 3, 2, 1, go ahead. All the way up, getting up to that opposite foot. Adding that dumbbell if you'd like. She's burning already. Perfect. Make sure you get those shoulders all the way up. That's too much. Bicycle crunches for me. Opposite knee, opposite elbow. Okay? Keep it going. Awesome. Come on. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome. Take a little breather here for a second. Woo! We're gonna do those one more time. We got 5 seconds and we're right back into it. Going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, opposites. Get those shoulders off the ground. All the way up. Remember, take it down. Opposite knee, opposite elbow. Still squeezing that core. Perfect. Keep it going. Almost there. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Rest. Bringing it up. Grab both of those dumbbells for me. We are going to do, with those dumbbells, resting on your shoulders, reverse lunge. When you come up, you're gonna drive your knee up and press over your head. So reverse lunge, drive your knee up, dumbbells go over your head, okay? All 30 seconds on one leg, and then we'll switch for the second set of 30 seconds. All right, 5 seconds. Going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. So reverse lunge, knee up, over the head. Awesome. Perfect. We got 30 seconds of these. Awesome. Drive that knee up. Perfect. Almost there. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Perfect. Take a little breather, and then we're switching legs for our second set of 30. Woo! Going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. Same thing, we're just switching legs. Awesome. Rep them out. Core nice and tight when you drive that knee up. Awesome. You're doing great. Almost there, last 10 seconds. Perfect. 5 seconds to go. Keep pushing. And rest. Awesome job. Next exercise, I need you to grab that band for me. We are gonna stand, both feet on that band. You're gonna hold a nice bent over position, core nice and tight, and then we're just doing rows. Pinching those shoulders back and together. If that's too much, lose one of the bands and just stand on one strand, pinch those shoulders together, okay? All right, 30 seconds, 2 times. We're going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. As many reps as you can. Awesome. Drive those elbows back. Core nice and tight. Pinch those shoulders together. Lose the band if you need to. You alter that resistance. Perfect. Keep going. 10 seconds here. Big squeeze. Pinch those shoulders together. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome. We've got another round of those. Take a little breather here for a second. 5 seconds. We're gonna do one more round of those. 3, 2, 1. Stand on that band and go ahead. Awesome. Pinch those shoulders together. Driving those elbows back. Take a band away if you need to. Right back into it. Awesome. Keep repping it out. Good. Come on. Keep it going. Big squeeze. Pinch those shoulders together. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and done. Awesome. Next, we're taking it back down to the floor. No equipment needed. All right, we're gonna be flat on our backs. We got some single leg hip ups. So just one leg up, keep those knees in line, and we're just pushing those hips up. 30 seconds one leg, we'll flip and do 30 seconds the other. All right, here we go, we're going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. Driving those hips up. Awesome. If the single leg is too much, drop that leg down and just bust it out with both legs. Awesome. Make sure you're getting those hips up all the way. You're doing great. Keep pushing. Last 10 seconds here. Awesome. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Perfect. Remember which leg you're leaving off on. We're gonna switch legs here. You've got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Same thing. Driving those hips up. Drive through that heel. Push those hips up as high as you can. Drop it down if you need to. Perfect. Big squeeze at the top. Keep it going. We've got 10 seconds left. You're doing awesome. Hips up all the way. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job. Next, we're bringing it up. Make sure you've got plenty of room for this one. We are going to do a crab walk, 3 steps to the side, and then I want 3 bodyweight squats. Back down, 3 steps, and then 3 squats, okay? All right, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, get it going. Nice and low. 3 steps, 3 bodyweight squats. Right back down, taking it back. Awesome. Perfect. Keep it going. You're doing awesome. We got 10 seconds here. Perfect. 5 seconds. And rest. Awesome. One more time of those, and then we're halfway through. Woo! Alrighty, here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1. Same thing, nice and low. Good. Awesome. Stay low on those crab walks. Crank out 3 squats. Awesome. You're doing great. Keep it going. Nice and low. Crank out 3. Almost there. 5 seconds. And rest. Awesome. Grab a quick drink. We are halfway through. Woo! All right. Next, grab that light dumbbell for me and have a seat on the floor. We've got some Russian twists. So you're just gonna be sitting on your butt. Lift those legs off the ground, taking it to each side. Okay, if that's too much, drop those feet down, Keep that core nice and tight. Lean back as far as you can. Just taking it to the side, okay? 30 seconds, 2 times. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go ahead. Start with those feet off the ground if you can. Awesome. Keep it going. Tap it on each side. Drop those feet down if you need to. Get that full rotation. Awesome. 10 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome. One more time of those. Take a little breather here. Whew. 3 seconds. All right, here we go. Round 2, and go ahead. Perfect. Nice and controlled. Good. Awesome. Keep it going. You're doing awesome. Core nice and tight. Full rotation. Keep it going. Almost there. 5 seconds. And rest. Awesome. Next, you can lose that dumbbell, but we're staying on the floor here. We're gonna do the opposite of a dead bug. So we're gonna hold that bird dog position. Opposite leg and opposite arm are up in the air, and then we're coming in and we're crunching. Open back up, in, and we're crunching, okay? Stay on that side the whole time, then we'll switch to the other side, all right? 30 seconds, 2 times, you know the drill. We're going in 3, 2, 1, and go. So opposite arm, opposite leg are up. Come in, crunch together. Good. Perfect. When you open up, make sure those hips stay squared straight down. Your shoulders should be squared down. Your back should be flat. Awesome. Keep it going. Good. You're doing awesome. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and rest. We're gonna switch sides. One more set of those. You guys are doing great. After this, we got 3 exercises left. All right, here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. Don't forget to switch sides. Same thing. Whoa, baby. Perfect. Good. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. Keeping those hips squared down, shoulders squared down. Crunch and then open back up. Awesome. Perfect. Keep it going. We're almost there. Good. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome. Standing it up. Grab that long band for me. All right. We're going to stand on that band. We got some band walks. So we're standing on it, feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna cross it, hold it up high, elbows high, out, out, in, out, out, in, okay? We're just staying in place. We got 30 seconds of these, 2 times. We're going in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. Out, out, in. Keep tension. Don't let your feet come all the way in. Tension the whole time. Good. Keep it going. If the tension's too much, go ahead and drop it down. Hold it right below your chest. Same thing, out, out, in. Keep it going. She's burning. Come on. Nice tiny little steps. Keep going the whole time. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Go ahead and rest. Whew. Glutes are burning. 5 seconds here, and we're jumping right back into it. All right, we're going in 3, 2, get set up in that band, cross it, and go ahead. Round 2 of these. Nice tiny little steps. Keep tension the whole time. Awesome. Good. All the way through. If that tension gets to be too much, drop it down. Take a little bit off. Awesome. Keep going. You're doing great. Perfect. Come on. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good work. Next, grab those light dumbbells for me. We're taking it down to the floor. You're gonna be flat on your back. All right, so we're doing 2 movements here, and we're just combining them. So, you're going to start with your legs up in the air. We're going to do a fly with our dumbbells, and then a guard hammer. So out and in, okay? Fly, guard hammer, out and in. I do not want your back coming up off the floor on our guard hammers. So if that means you're only taking your legs to here, that's fine. All right, 30 seconds of these, 2 times, and we're going in 3, 2, 1, go ahead. So fly, and then out and in. Push that belly button down into the floor. Good, awesome. Nice and controlled on those flies. Really stretch out that chest. Perfect. You're doing awesome. We got 10 seconds here. Keeping that back flat. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Relax here for a second. Whew. We got one more round of those. Alrighty. Here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Controlled on that fly. Out and in with those legs. Back flat. Good. Awesome. Keep it going. Perfect. We got 10 seconds left here. Awesome. Come on. Last one. And rest. Perfect. 1 exercise to go. I need you to hold on to those dumbbells for me. All right. So this one, all 30 seconds on one side, all 30 on the other. You're going to hold a lat raise, curl, and press with the other side. All right? Okay. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Hold into the side with 1. Curl to press reps with the other. Awesome. Keep it going. Perfect. That's halfway already. Keep it going. Good. Rep it out. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Awesome. We're going to switch sides here. Take a couple seconds. Shake those arms out a little bit. Same thing, other side. Going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Lat raise with the other arm. Good, awesome. Curl and press. Rep it out. Keep holding on that one side. Doing awesome. We're almost there. Come on. Keep working. 10 seconds. Good, keep pushing. This is our last exercise. Home stretch. 3, 2, 1, and done. Awesome. Throw those dumbbells away. Grab a quick drink before we have our little finisher. Take a couple seconds here. All right, for our finisher, we've got 4 exercises, 20 seconds each of them, and we're gonna go through 2 times. And that's it. All right, so we got frog jumps. Everyone knows what a frog jump is. Down, all the way up. Then we've got plank to push up. So we're gonna be in that push-up position, down to your forearms, and then back up into that push-up. Just alternating back and forth. Next, we've got body weight squats. We've done a ton of these. Just repping them out. And then we've got mountain climbers in that push-up position, driving those knees towards your chest, okay? Those 4, 20 seconds, 2 times through, and that's it. Home stretch here, so push yourself all the way through. All right, we're going in 5, starting off with those frog jumps. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Nice soft landing when you come down. Awesome, only 20 seconds of these, so push yourself. Awesome, almost there. 3, 2, 1, perfect. Taking it down. Plank 2 push-up. Starting in that push-up position. Going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Try not to rock your hips on these. They don't have to be fast. Perfect. If that's too much, drop it down to your knees. Same thing. Perfect. Keep going. Core tight. And rest. Stand it back up. We got squats. 20 seconds, going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, rep them out. Awesome, you're doing great. Push yourself here. Good, come on. Rep them out. Last 5. And rest, awesome. Last one, mountain climbers, take it back down. 20 seconds. Ready, and go. Driving those knees toward your chest. Shoulders stacked right over top of those wrists. Keep it going. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Awesome. Woo! We got one more time through all of that. We're taking it back to the top. 2 frog jumps. Whew. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right. Get ready. We're going in 5. Whoo! And go ahead, frog jumps. Last time through. Give me all you got. Come on. 10 seconds. Perfect. 5, 3, 2, and rest. Plank to push up. We're taking it down. All right. Going to 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Awesome. Take it down to those knees if you need to. Push yourself. Come on. Good. Keep it going. You're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Bringing it up. Squats. 2 exercises to go here. We got it. Keep pushing. 5 seconds. And go ahead. Rep out as many squats as you can. Awesome. Perfect. That's halfway. Keep going. Home stretch, 5 seconds. And rest. Last exercise. Mountain climbers, taking it back down last time. And we're going in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Find that rhythm. Nice steady pace. Home stretch. Keep pushing. Good. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Woo! Good work, everyone. Take a couple minutes here. Stretch out whatever you need to. Nice little cool down. Y'all crushed it. Thank you for joining me. Good work, and I will see you next time.
Awesome job today, guys. Make sure that you check out powertrainsports.com to find your local powertrain facility.